Welcome back to Monster Hunter Freedom. The last time that I played, we did some hunts together on the online section, and I was able to play with both my friend and somebody that I had met through this hobby of mine. We had a good time, and we defeated a lot of different things. I think during the process I was able to upgrade my armor and my weapon as well. That being said, we also unlocked access to the 3-star quests. And I like the 3 stars. Oh my god, am I on the wrong? Wait a minute, am I on the wrong account? No, I'm not. Oh my god, I am. I am. Oops. I have 2 accounts, and I totally just chose the wrong one. Let's go to the other one. I was like, where's my dual blades, and why... do I not have my upgrades for my weapons? Oops. Alright, this is our account. Here we go. Yeah, so we did a lot last time. We defeated a Rathian, we defeated Gendrome, we did so many different quests in the online section of this game. Yeah, this is much better. I just realized I wasn't playing as Untitled. Now, if I get enough money, we can get this unlocked. But, we have a huge surprise in store for today. As you know, Monster Hunter Freedom 1, it has plenty of changes that were added to the game. But one of them is about to catch us by surprise. Let's go ahead and fight some Velociprey. We have to clear out 20 of them from the forest and hills. I think that we can take that on. We've done worse. Now, we only have 20 minutes, so we're gonna have to make this quick. Meaning, we're not gonna farm for anything. And if I'm in an area with a mining spot, then yes, I will mine for it. I believe it's regular Velociprey and not the white Velociprey like before. Hopefully by the end of today we'll unlock the urgent for Rathalos. I think that that would be very nice. And and we could farm for him because there's already some weapons that I am required to get Rathalos materials on. Wow, even with yellow sharpness, we're able to kill the Velociprey pretty quickly. Holy crap. It's a new monster. This thing looks like it's a Yian Kut-Ku, but it's very purple and it's very spiky. Yeah, we are in danger here. This thing does so much damage. Can't even hit its beak or tail with green sharpness, and now we can't hit it at all. This is a very bad situation. Ooh. That is not a good sound. And it shoots fireballs just like how a Rathian would. Wow, that was half my health. And it only just now got angry. And, oh my god, I got poisoned. He poisoned me by simply hitting me with his tail. That's a problem. Well, we definitely should not attempt to fight that anymore. Alright, well let's return to killing Velociprey. And if we see that monster again, we should ignore it. Yeah, this Monster Hunter introduces one new monster into the series, and it is pretty terrifying to deal with. Oh dear. We don't want to be here. There it is. Please don't tell me it's going to 4. We need to go. Yeah, that monster is too dangerous for us to deal with now. We'll have to deal with it later on. When we have powerful weapons with plenty of green sharpness. All requested monsters have been slain. Let's hope that we don't encounter that monster in a while. Alright, let's save and upgrade our weapon, because now I can upgrade my sword and shield. Wow, what a crazy hunt. That was not what we expected. Need more Genprey fangs. So what exactly was that monster? Because it looked like it was a Yian Kut-Ku, but it was very purple, very spiky, clearly different from Yian Kut-Ku, and had a moveset of a Rathian. Plus it was able to poison us with its tail from simply just spinning. Well, that monster is called Yian Garuga, a breed of Yian Kut-Ku with a hard black shell and a long mane. Known for its trap-avoiding slyness and poison-loaded tail, it is a particularly evil wyvern, so beware. Yes, this monster is fast, it's agile, it's dangerous, and it can even avoid traps. This is not good. We're gonna want to be prepared the next time that we find it. Alright, sorry, I had to delete some messages because unfortunately there's a lot of bots today. Oh, I'm so tired of these bots infiltrating my streams. They're so irritating. Also, off stream, I don't know if it was on stream or off stream, but I had upgraded my fishing pier, and I found that there is a new fish that you can fish up called a spring night carp. It's the the official fish of Kokoto Village. And it can be used to make different weapons. Or not weapons, I'm pretty sure it makes different armor. And I think that's pretty cool. So we're going to want to try and keep fishing them up. Yeah, let's see. Spring Night Carp. The species of carp called Spring Night, the official fish of Kokoto Village. Very cool. We're gonna want to keep getting more. Yeah, I was able to make an armor set. In fact, I think there's another one in there right now. Bomb marijuana. Another bomb marijuana. Scatterfish. I don't have any right now. Okay. Well, let's move on to the next quest. We have a few options from this set of quests here. Oh, I've got my urgent. The Rage of Yian Garuga. Damage and repel the Yian Garuga as best as you can. This is a 6-star quest, so maybe we shouldn't do that just yet. And now we got another Velociprey pack quest. But this time it's less money. It's probably easier too. Well, since we have to kill some Genprey, I would say let's do the Gendrome quest. And this gives us a chance to go explore the swamp some more and gather materials from it. Stuff like toadstool, we could get thunderbugs, we can get all sorts of stuff from mining. Should work out for us. And it's rare that we see a Gendrome in the swamp. They're usually in the desert. That's not what I meant to do. Hey, Thunderbug. Hi Chubby, thank you for joining the stream. It's too bad you aren't able to stay, but I hope that you have a good day wherever you're going. Oh cool, did you make any progress? Oh well hey, if you're able to connect, that's great. I think that's progress. It's really hard to set up the online if you don't have instructions on how to do it. But hey, that'll be really awesome. Well, maybe we'll be able to play Monster Hunter 1 G or Dose sometime. Oh geez, all these Vespoids are gonna be a problem. Oh, that's the Gendrome. That's a big Gendrome. Holy crap. That is a big Gendrome. Uh-oh. But we killed it fast. Ooh, we want that stun set. Hold on. Cricket, goodbye. No, go away. Please. Have mercy on me. Well, you missed earlier when we encountered our first Yian Garuga. Yian Garuga got introduced in this game, and it's terrifying. We have the urgent for it, but we're really not ready for it, like, at all. Come on, Gendrome. It's another big one. This one's even bigger than the last one. Wow. But we did it. We got Genprey hide. We'll remove the firefly. And another stun sack. Ooh, monster fluid. We need that. Alright, well, we did it. I'm glad that we were able to defeat these two Gendrome that quickly, and we got a bunch of materials, including a thunderbug and a bunch of iron. Ah, see, we want these Genprey fangs and scales. And we got 1,700 zenny for it, too. Wow. That's our first gold crown. That was a gold crown Gendrome. First gold crown, y'all. Unlike Monster Hunter G, where you had to wait till G rank to get one. You can get them in low rank, apparently. Was that... Oh my god, that was 10 fangs. I'm pretty sure that was exactly what I needed to upgrade the weapon. Hold on, we're gonna sell some stuff here. Hold up. Am I about to be able to upgrade this once more? Yes. Beautiful. We need more Gendrome stuff, but look at that, we're so close. And I can upgrade the Buster to the Buster Blade. So let's do that. Chrome Razor, oh my god. Oh yeah, I remember that one. That was hard to get in Monster Hunter 1. I don't think I even got it. That was a hard get in Monster Hunter 1 and G. Do I have stuff on me? No, we're good. Okay, I can't do anything with that yet. However, I have enough points that I can get a mushroom tree upgrade. So the mushrooms that we're gonna get are likely better now. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. You have a good rest of your day. Wow, so we're getting nitro shrooms now, which is good for barrel bombs, if I recall. Just got a Hornitar wing. Of all the things to get from the bug spot. Pin tuna. That looks like it's the Spring Night carp. Look at that pink fish. Yeah, because that was a burst arowana that I just got. Yes, we got it. Yep, spring night carp. Awesome. Let's see if I can get that bomb arowana now. Nope. Fish aren't regenerating. That's weird. Oh, that's because there's a sushi fish in the water. Oh no, it's a rumblefish. Alright, well that's all the fishing I could do for there. Wow, I'm glad we got the spring night carp. I'll show off the armor that you can get. Also, how many box space? We got plenty of box space still. Hold up. Yeah, Maklava. If you use the Book of it's good for like combination and alchemy, which that actually could be very useful for us. And for something that's meant for just combination, that's a good amount of defense. But we need a crap ton of pin tuna. Plus, we would need Plesioth stuff for it. Maklava. We get Cephalos, we can get that. Alright. Well. Let's go ahead and kill some Genprey. We're gonna do some more farming out in the swamp. Nice. So now we got a great sword with green sharpness on it. We're going to be using that to our advantage. Like, how much green sharpness too? Pretty decent amount. And it does 480 damage, so like, we're good. No, don't give me nothing found. What is... Oh? Oh, okay. Sure, I guess I could use the extra money, but if that's all you're gonna do, I don't want to keep trading with you. Wow, even 2 side flashes is enough to kill the Genprey. Oh, come on. Well, I guess I don't really need stone. Oof. That was rude. We got Velociprey and white Velociprey here too. Let's not deal with that. We're already halfway there. Took that long for my weapon power to decrease. Wonder if you can get a thunderbug from in here. I definitely don't want flashbug. I have enough. Okay, well, we'll never know. But we will mine from this. How did that not hit? Come on now. Oh! That's a Bizarrios. Okay then. I was not expecting the Bizarrios to show up on a quest about Genprey. That was rude. Wow. Did not get the item. That's unfortunate.